Hi guys, friends. Today I'm going to make a wreath for my front door, and these are flowers that I bought about Dollar General. This from the Dollar Tree, and these are my cutters for my trees outside. You need a thick cutter because these are very difficult to cut. Follow along. So I'm just going to take the flowers verbatim. They're all here. I'm not going to try and put them in any special order. I'm just going to start grabbing them and just start putting them in. Watch how quickly these can be made. Once you've pulled your flowers through, do not cut them yet. You want to glue this with the glue gun. You're going to glue around. You're going to glue where it's connected here, okay? And then after that dries, then you'll cut these straight. These are going to get put on with zip ties. With zip ties, I'll show that. First, we're going to glue with the glue gun. From the stems, if you want more green up here, save your greens and then you just go glue them. These are the greens. Those are going to be Now that I've glued it in the back, they're very stuck on there. So now I can cut these. Make sure it's dry before you cut. And where I glued, that it's strongly set in. I'm going to cut these leaves out and put green on the other side. And then zip tie these in. gonna need 4 zip ties. And what I plan to do here is we'll zip them here, one here, and in the back, I'm gonna have to, I think it's gonna be closer together. And actually put 1 zip tie, but 2 being closer together. Then on the back of the wreath, you zip tie both sides, so it's more like this. You're going to go hook 1, 2. So right now they're just sticking straight out. So it's like 2 pieces straight out like that. Or you could shape them. They are shapeable. You can shape them to go up like that. Or you can take the zip ties even further and bring it stronger up. You would zip tie it there. But I think I like it just straight across down. It's just going to go on the door. And it'll go. I'll look at it at the door and see if I need to make adjustments. But how beautiful is this? So this was from Dollar General, and I got this main part here is Dollar Tree. They had a really nice sale, so I took advantage of that. And now I have this beautiful wreath for the summer going into fall that's going to go on my front door. Hope you enjoyed this video, and go out and get some silk flowers and make your beautiful wreath for your front door today. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, much appreciated. Have a great day.